Hey everyone, okay, so today is a really cool video and it's just very, very cool. But before we get started, I know I don't have to say this, but it's worth reiterating that nothing in this video is sponsored and every product you see here, I bought. Just so you know, because when something is very, very good and you're going on about it in a sort of sycophantic way, it's, I know some people might be like, I think you're being paid. Well, I haven't been paid for this, although I would like to. I won't lie. Okay, so let's make a start. Dermaplaning. Tried it like a year and a half ago, and I bought a, like a blade thing, and it was awful. And I just thought, I never none of that. And that's how it was. Of course, I bought a really nasty blade as well. So I think that might have been part of the problem. Who knows? But I didn't give it a second thought. And then I was reading an article about a month ago about a brand that I'd never heard of, and I decided to check it out, and I bought the Dermaplaning tool. So let me show you it. So this is the one I bought. It's from Specht Skincare, and this is the blade. So it's, trust me, it's a decent blade. Now, tonight I will be doing it again, and tonight will be my 4th time. So I do it once a week. And I've tried lots and lots of different gadgets and things for the face, and some have worked and some haven't. This gave me the smoothest skin I have ever felt, ever. And I mean that, ever. My skin's pretty smooth anyway, but this thing made my skin feel like a baby's. It was amazing. And if you like a good bit of penetration with your skincare products, see what I did there? They will absorb like you wouldn't believe. It is the best thing I've ever bought. And I truly mean that in terms of the way it can make your skin feel. And I think a lot of people think that with dermaplaning, it's really about taking away sort of the peach fuzz on the face, which it does, but it takes away massive amounts of dead skin. It softens the skin like you wouldn't believe. And when I mentioned about the penetration, your skincare products will go in like nobody's business. It is the best thing I've ever used. Now I'm going to insert a little bit of video here so you can see in action, because it's much better demonstrated by the founder of Specht Skincare than it is me, because you know what it's like. It's just amazing, absolutely amazing. And once more, just in case you're wondering, I bought these myself. Which leads me on to the next bit. Now, all the links for the product are in the description bar. Now, the tool itself cost $75. I got mine from Amazon.co.uk here in the UK. And I also bought a pack of refills. Now, these retail for $23.50. Now, it's recommended that you replace the blade once every 4 weeks, so once every month. So obviously $23.50 for the replacement. So this is a 3-month pack in here, which is pretty good, especially when it does this to your face. Now, that bit's done, which is all very good. Now we're on to the second bit, which is I'd never heard of Specht Skincare, and I have never been loyal to a single skincare brand ever. I use whatever I want to use, whenever I want to use it, because I can. But I'd never heard of it, and when I started to do some research over the past couple of weeks, the reviews were just extraordinary about the products and what they can do. So I thought I'd buy them, and here they are. So what I'm going to do, and I bought them all, just so you know again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this a 3-month trial. So I'm going to take a before picture of my face, and I'm going to take it with this camera in a raw format. So it's going to look horrific. My pores are going to look like massive, and there's going to be blackheads and horrible things. But because the reviews are so amazing, I really wanted to try it, and I want to see if it's going to work. So this could either be a glowing review or not. So let me show you what I bought. So I bought the EGF activating serum. So I don't know what it is, but I hope it works. And I bought the PSC peptide serum. Ding ding. I bought the HA hydrating serum. I bought Deep Sea Mineral Peel. This is an expensive little tub, I tell you that. I bought the hydrating lip peel. I don't know why I bought this because I don't care about my lips, but you know, whatever. And I also bought the Derma roller as well. So the things I don't have at the moment are the eye serum, because I haven't got it yet, and the TCA peel, which I don't have either. So once they come, I will start the regime and we will see if the reviews really are what they say they are, and if my skin looks different or better or whatever happens. We will see. It's a 3-month experiment because I want to see. I just want to see what all the fuss is about. So I thought, let's buy it, let's see, and we'll go from there. Now, Derma roller, very used to these. Very hit and miss with them because I'm like, oh, I'm going to do it, and then I do it once and never do it again. So I'm basically going to be using these 3 products twice a day. I'm going to be using this 5 to 7 days a week. I'm going to be using this once a week, and I'm going to be doing the TCA peel twice a week. That's my routine. And this is quite a lot for me with my skincare because I pretty much wash my face, put a bit of sunscreen on. But that's it. Let's see what happens. Links for these products are in the description bar. If it's within your budget, I highly recommend it because your skin just feels, and makeup goes on like you will not believe. It's like a new skin. Oh, love it. Thanks for listening all this time. This looks like it's glowing quite a lot in the monitor above me. Quite radioactive today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye. When you're holding your skin taut and you're going down or up, however, perfect. Don't go side to side.